So guys, today I'm gonna talk about the MSSM model. It's an ICT model, and also I've done some work on it, and I use this model since I'm using like it for 1 year. I'm getting good results with it. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. So first of all, we have three steps in this model. Like every other ICT model, we have three steps. Um, the first one is our bias. So in our bias, in the 4 hour time frame, I basically use the 4 hour because I get good. I want to enter in 1 minute or 3 minute. I'm not a 5 minute trader. I'm a scalper type trader. So I use the smaller time frames for this. You can use the daily, hourly, and 5 minute, and as you can align your time frame as you like. So I use the 4 hour. So first of all, in 4 hour, we need to watch for the fair value gap or the sweep or order block or anything like CRT, any bias, any type of bias you use. Like it's normal. Okay, we just need to find the bias. After we find the bias, we just need to change our time frame to the middle structural time frame where we need to watch for the structure of the market. So for the structure, I use 15 minutes. So in the structure, we need to watch for just fair value gaps, sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, order blocks, anything like for rejection, for entry, for the. After this, we just need to come in the 3 minute or 1 minute. I usually use the 3 minute, but sometimes I use the 1 minute because it also gives great entries when 3 minutes is not giving any entry to my. We will need to watch for the MSS or the fair value gap. So this is our three-step formula to execute any trade on the MSSM model on any pair. So now I will show you what is the MSS. So basically MSS is nothing but just a shift to confirm that the market has changed its direction. Like market is, I'm showing you here. So you can see that market is going up, market is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. But what did market do is break that previous higher low and change the structure. Okay, but this structure change needs to be in any type of fair value gap, in any type of order block, in any type of a liquidity sweep, anything can work. Okay, but needed to be in any order block or something. So what did market do? Got rejection from the um, order block or fair value gap. Just say it we're gonna say the fair value gap. So what did market do is get rejected from the fair value gap and just break the higher low, and with that market change the structure, and this is in 3 minutes. Okay, not in 15 minutes. We're gonna see this in 3 minutes. So market did what? Break the structure. After this, we just need to look for, we will look for close. Okay, this is important. What people do is don't wait for close. I'm using it for 1 year, so I can know where it will go or where it will not, so I can risk it. But if you are new, if you are just testing it, you just use the closing. Okay, after this candle close here, you just need for a fair value gap at here, and it will be a fair value gap. Usually happens. Okay, it's usually a fair value gap always form. If there is no fair value gap, you can use something else. I'm gonna show you it. First of all, I'm gonna show the fair value gap. So here is our fair value gap. So from the FVG, so we need to enter here. Okay, after entering here, our SL will be the high of this swing. You can do the this swing, or you can do the upper side of the fair value gap. But if you are new, just use this swing. You can take one equals to 1 hour, but take low risky trades. So this is how it will work. We will see the 15 minutes time frame for the sell side liquidity or anything if there is any POI, and we will target it. And this is how the MSS work. Okay, and here is another example here. This is our 15-minute chart, where this is a liquidity zone, sell side liquidity. What we need to wait for is the market break this level, and then we need to change our time frame to 3 minutes, and we will look for this type of market structure shift, 3 minutes or 1 minute, and then we will enter here. Like, if there is no fair value gap, you can enter on the upper swing of this MSS. And I'm saying again that you need to wait for the close. If there is no close, it is a risky trade. Okay, so you're gonna wait for the close, you're gonna wait for the retest. And if you are practicing it for like 3 months, 4 months, you can also enter after just the market close above it. Okay, but at first, just work with the rules. And with this, just wait for the market to go up and to the buy side liquidity or any POI, and just book your targets. So now I'm gonna show you in the chart, but first of